Hello and welcome back to Lipstick, a channel dedicated to all things lipstick. My name is Natalie and today I'm going to be talking about the Orgasm Fantasy Trio from NARS. This one is a really beautiful set made up of all minis, so let's jump right into the video and see how it compares to the full-size products.
To a secret place where only the moon can see beyond the shores.
So in this box of mini you get 4 products. There is the iconic Orgasm Blush, the highlight, the new oil-infused lip tint, and the Orgasm Hydrating Lip Balm, which is so good. First up is the iconic Orgasm Blush. With the mini, you're getting 2.5 grams versus the full size, which is 8 grams. So that is about a third of what you would get in a full-size pan. If you guys haven't tried this blush, then I think this is a really good entryway to it because it's $49 for the box, and that's the Canadian pricing, by the way, versus $40 for the full-size blush. It is one of the first high-end blushes that I ever bought myself when I was a teenager, and I just remember being really excited to get it after having read about it in Allure magazine. The next product that you get in here is the highlight. The mini version, this is interesting, is 2.5 grams versus the full version, which is also 2.5 grams. The full-size product comes in a loose powder versus the mini, which is a packed powder. The full size will run you $37 Canadian, and again, the mini is part of the bundle, which is $49 Canadian. So I feel like right there you're getting pretty good bang for your buck. Next up is the lip balm. This is the Orgasm Afterglow Lip Balm. It is hydrating. It has a subtle hint of color with the radiant finish of the universal flattering orgasm shade. If you guys have not checked out my 2019 orgasm video collection, swatches, all that stuff, I'm leaving it up here for you guys to click on and watch after this. In the full size, you are getting 3 grams of product versus the mini size, which is about 1.1 grams. So that is about a third of the size. The last item in this bundle is the Orgasm Oil-Infused Lip Tint, and I love this product. It is a new one for 2019 for the NARS lineup. In the full-size version, you are getting 5.7 milliliters versus the mini, which is 3.5 milliliters. That is almost 2/3 of the full-size product, which again is pretty darn good if you ask me. If you already have the full-size products in your makeup bag, you might not necessarily want to grab these, but if you're new to the Orgasm collection and you're kind of intrigued on trying the blush and the lip balms and everything like that, this is a really good entryway to all of these items. Also, if you're looking for minis in particular because you travel a lot for work, for people who keep a makeup bag at their desk at work or maybe in their gym bag, this is also another really good option as it pretty much has everything that you need in order to create a really beautiful, natural, glowy look. I love all of these products. I've actually been using the Orgasm Blush a lot as of recently. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. Feeling like you're my perfect time.